On January 4th, a single image appeared on a dark corner of the internet. It was a white cicada on a black background. The message was simple. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. Most thought it was a prank. They were wrong. This was the start of a global hunt involving digital cryptography, secret phone numbers, and physical locations in 14 countries. Welcome to the world's most complex mystery. Hackers, mathematicians, and government agents all tried to solve it. But as they got closer, the mystery turned dark. People started disappearing from the forums. Private servers were wiped. And then, the phone calls started. No one knows who Cicada 3301 really was. A hacker group, intelligence agency, or a cult. To listen to more such mysteries in the world, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.